It's boring. Boxel?
Well, what is she about to say to me?
Boxel? Would you like to, just wait here until I get my, things ready?
What is she about to say?
Congratulations! Okay. I better look up on tourist attractions to go to Ptaro City.
Hmm. Maybe I have something to do in mind. The tourist attractions in Ptaro City. Well, it's not the village, it's just a big city. With lots of buildings. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, enough of the yawning. Let's get it. Ptaro City is a most type of city in another world where it used to be peoples and vehicles around here. So the truck's moving, and then there's some amusement parks, some restaurants, cafes, some shops, some vending machines I can say what I did take with them. Because I'm a vending machine after all.
Okay, I'll look up on tourist attractions, Boxel. Then we need to go to Ptaro City so we can just, see if we can, go to amusement park, okay?
Wow, that's pretty much idea.
Congratulations! Okay. Well, I guess tomorrow's gonna be a big day. Well, I have to take off my clothes. Would you wait here for a second?
He's about to get naked, but why?
Okay. I just had to roll my pajamas on. It's been a fun day. Good night.
She's about to say anything, right?